Where did it go? Where's the hand? But where's the hand? Sometimes the most obvious things can go unnoticed. We rush through our days focused on the big picture and miss the little details that also make up our world. It's like this missing hand. It's right there in the plain sight. Yet it went unnoticed until it was too late. I was late for the exhibition and I was traveling with this and similar models to exhibit. The exhibition went quite well, but couldn't display this model because it was missing a hand. It seems like it's time for Papercraft excavation. Let's go. So the hand seems to have vanished out of thin air. Luckily, I keep my templates in one place, so I'll just take out the images where we have the hand and that book that she was holding. Drop it so that I don't want to waste ink while printing. It's good if I drop the part I want and remove the rest. I don't want this. I just want this blue sleeve. Yeah. See? So simple. I'll just replicate this just in case something happens. I cut it wrong or something. I don't know. Let's just be safe. I don't want to lose another hand. Well, I remember watching, I think it was, what's the name of that channel? Nerd Forge. She made this finger for herself using 3D printer. That's so cool, man. That was one of the reason I started this channel. That was an inspiration. So I have 2 copies. I will print this. Let's go to our workstation and make this hand again. I wish I had that. What was that movie? There was a hand in that movie, right? The hand from the Wednesday. I could just use that. Well, enough of that. Normally a hand has 4 fingers and a thumb.
Are you sure about that?
So I just had to paste all the fingers on the palm. And attach the thumb to it. Also added some cotton inside, add some weight and sturdiness to the hand. It's completely optional. I prefer to do it though. Just paste the book and don't forget the sleeve. finally have this tiny little hand restored. Okay, so this model is now officially not disabled. We are done with this little project. Time to put away all our tools. This experience reminded me that it's okay to make mistakes. After all, I had a great exhibition. I had a great time displaying my model. Thus, I did finish what I started. Hmm. What's that?
Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move
If you
like
like
that.
this, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
You'll be running.